Hello guys! So Honor's next phone, Honor X10 Max, will be officially unveiled on 2nd of July and is expected to provide the same user experience as the Honor X10 but on a bigger screen. According to the official Weibo profile, the device will have 5G connectivity, a water drop notch for the selfie camera, as well as a fingerprint scanner on the right side below the volume rockers and a massive display. That's right, the display will be a massive 7.09-inch Full HD Plus resolution with an aspect ratio of 19:9. The display supports RGBW technology that enhances screen brightness and reduces power consumption. It also supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and the highest brightness of 780 nits. On top, it comes with U-shaped notch for front camera and the bottom bezel is slightly thick than the rest of the bezels. And since it has side-mounted fingerprint scanner, it's safe to say it will have IPS panel and not AMOLED. Looking at the display size, I can say that the smartphone displays are getting bigger and bigger and are getting very much into tablet territory. Fueling the phone is 5000 mAh battery with support for 22.5 watt charging. Given that this has 7-inch display, it's not surprising to see this such battery capacity. Powering the phone will be MediaTek Dimensity 800 5G system on chip. It's a 7nm processor and is very capable and closely matches with Snapdragon 765 series chipsets, but of course it's not better than the Snapdragon counterpart. The RAM and storage configurations of the smartphone are not revealed in this leak. Other specs include a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel selfie shooter, and the OS is Android 10 with Magic UI 3.1.1 on top. For stereo output, the handset seems to be equipped with top and bottom firing speakers. Now this phone is not an upgrade over the Honor X10 but rather another variant with larger screen and battery. What you are missing on this phone is the pop-up camera and slightly low powered processor than Honor X10. Soon enough we will know more about cameras as well, so do subscribe, and that's it for now. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.